Welcome to the Neolife family. We're excited that you have decided to join us on our mission to end the trend of poor health and financial stress. If you're watching this, then that means you have received your incredible starter kit. This kit will give you all the tools necessary to launch your business. You'll also have the support of the company and your sponsor. You're in business for yourself, but never by yourself. Let's walk through your starter kit together to make sure you do not miss any of the tools or resources you have available to you. The tools in your startup kit include the Getting Started Guide, the Product Catalog, the Compensation Plan, the Lifestyle Magazine, Price List, order forms, and new distributor application forms. Your starter kit will also include your selected products to get you started on the product and feel the benefits. You will also have digital tools that are available to help you manage and grow your business. The first is your own personal shop Neolife website. This is where you will send your friends and prospects you refer to Neolife so you get credit for their orders and activity. And most importantly, help them experience optimal health or to help them start their Neolife journey. You also have your Neolife back office. This is an important resource to help you grow and manage a successful distributor business because you will not only have access to the resource library, but you can track a multitude of stats and reports to ensure your friends, your customers, and your team are well taken care of, and your business is moving in the right direction. For those of you who prefer to work from your phone, you also have access to the Neolife back office app. So you can grow and manage your business while you are on the go. This is a free app and can be downloaded right now. To find it, search for Neolife Back Office on your App Store or Play Store. Last but not least is the Team Neolife app. This is such a powerful tool for prospecting, sharing media, and following up with customers. With this app, you have access to a library of videos, PDFs, and social media images. You can create and share custom videos and email campaigns. The ability to swipe directly from your contacts to create your hot and cold prospect list is amazing. You can even see when prospect has watched content you have shared with them. It's a fantastic prospecting and following up tool. And right now, you have 60 days free trial access to the TNL app. It's only valid for 60 days after enrollment. So go to your App Store or Play Store now and search for Team Neolife. Download the app and get connecting and sharing with your prospect. After your free 60 days, you can renew your TNL app subscription. Contact your local distributor center for details. We're excited to take this journey with you and cannot wait to celebrate your success.